Sunil Kotwal. Since we are having a MOU between CREDAI Nasik and ARC, may I now request Presidents CREDAI Nasik and ARC Nasik to welcome our chief guest, Mr. Sachin Shroff, President NAR India. Well begun is half done. But what is ARC? $1 million question in everybody's mind. It's time to know about ARC. May I request our immediate past president, Mr. Deepak Kalvit, to share his views. And being a founder president, he is the right person to share with us about ARC. Over to Deepak.
Thank you, Prashant. Good evening. Dignitaries on the dais, my friend President CREDAI Nasik, Kiran Chavan, General Secretary Mr. Sunil Kotwal, President NAR India Sachin Shroff, President ARC Mr. DJ Dhamne, General Secretary ARC Mr. Prashant, dignitaries of the dais, and my respected friends, who could spare time only because of good relationship of our members. We all should be thankful to Ashoka Training Institute because the idea of forming association emerged from the course they created. I think this is a unique association because this was formed by the group of 40 individuals, and member of the in last 6 years there was a time when 160 members were the members of this association. Today I am very happy to deliver this speech from this platform because concept of forming this association and formation of this association was conceived from this platform only, this hall only. I remember that first person we decided to invite as a invitee of our association was Kiran Chavan, and I am very glad that, and it is coincidence that when he is president of CREDAI, we are signing MOU with him. We as a member of ARC are interested in business, and what we want to do is ethical business. Gone are the days when a real estate agent was seen as a person carrying only Satbara as a tool to sell his property. Now time is changed and has offered various new opportunities to real estate agent or real estate consultant who is willing to learn new techniques and tools. There are so many different ways to sell different types of properties. One can specialize by mastering one branch of real estate. What it takes to sell commercial property or commercial rental properties or industrial properties is very different from the property what it takes to sell residential properties. I have realized that there is a huge amount of learning we needed to go through, and even more learning is required if we have to stay current on different opportunities are arising. We almost have transformed ourselves as property manager rather than looking at a person who is just helping customer to buy and sell property. Once we have transformed ourselves as a trusted consultant, we will change the face of this industry. That is the time when our customer will start demanding more service, and that is the time when anybody cannot become real estate agent overnight. Builders also have started realizing the benefit of sharing job of selling their property with us. They have realized that sharing 2% commission can save them months of waiting and might save commercial interest cost of the project as well. This has created huge set of opportunities for us. While this is good, this is also forcing many of us to come with new model of engagements. While this is win-win situation, it has forced us to realize that value of continued learning. We have to know our customer and we have to know our business in order to be more effective. If you combine need of our learning with information technology, and more specifically the web has offered us, I can only say that mastering the online tool available should create opportunities for us in our trade that never existed before. Because of information technology now, we have to educate our clients, provide him required information, bring him to the level where he should feel that I am buying property from right person and my deal is transparent, then only the deal will click. People buy property from us as a consultant for two reasons. One, we can show him more properties as per his budget. And the second reason is that the agent suggests, he expects that an agent can suggest him well-known builder who can complete project within given time. My dear friends, I am confident that this is just the beginning. We all together have to make records of selling properties of Nasik Kridai builders. Hope that there will be no hesitation from both the sides. I am sure signing this MOU will help both of us. Thank you very much.